When I'm suffocated by cough and wheezing, I drink this tea. I need 1 tablespoon of Elecampane root. I don't drink this tea every day. I drink it when I need help with a persistent cough and phlegm. I will pour 250 milliliters of cold water. I put the tea on to boil. From the moment it boils, reduce the temperature and cook for 10 minutes. While the tea is brewing, I will tell you that the root of this plant helps with smoker's cough. It has natural antibacterial properties, helps with indigestion, rheumatism, and sciatica. I will cover and let it sit for 10 minutes. I drink tea warm, slowly, especially in the evening when the cough bothers me the most. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.